In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add icons with a text slider in Shopify. Let's start inside your Shopify admin. From your main dashboard, look over to the menu on the left-hand side and find the option labeled Online Store. Go ahead and click that. This will open up the area where all of your themes are listed. On your current theme, click the option to customize or edit the theme. This takes you into the Online Store editor, where you can visually adjust how your storefront looks. Once the editor has loaded, look at the preview of your homepage on the right and think about where you want this icon and text slider to appear. It could be near the top to highlight key benefits or closer to the bottom as a supporting section. Click on the part of the page where you'd like it to go, or simply scroll until you find a good spot. Now, look back to the left-hand panel inside the editor. You'll see a list of your existing sections. Under that list, click on Add Section. A menu will open with different section types. Scroll down until you find one called Custom Liquid. This is a flexible section that lets you paste in your own custom code while still using the theme editor. Click on the Custom Liquid section and a new block will appear, along with a large text box where you can paste code. This is where you'll add the slider code. Carefully copy and paste the full code provided in the video. Because it's a long snippet, feel free to pause the video so you can clearly see every part and avoid missing anything. The code you're adding creates a compact horizontal carousel that combines icons with short messages. Think of messages like free shipping, 24/7 support, or secure checkout. All of these items are laid out in a single long row, but only a slice of that row is visible at any given moment. That visible slice works like a window, hiding the rest until it slides into view. When the slider is running, the row gently shifts sideways so the next icon and message appear inside that window. This movement can be automatic, cycling every few seconds, or triggered by your visitors clicking left and right arrows. On mobile screens, the design usually shows one item at a time to keep things readable. On larger screens, multiple items can show at once, but the motion still happens in clear steps, not as a constant scroll. That step-by-step movement is what makes it feel like a real slider rather than a continuous marquee. You'll be able to customize the text, swap in different icons, adjust the speed, and control how many items show on desktop, all without breaking how the slide animation behaves. Once the code is pasted, look at the live preview panel on the right side of the editor. You should now see your new icons with text slider in place. Take a moment to check how it looks on desktop and mobile previews and make any content tweaks you want. When you're happy with the layout in motion, don't forget to click Save in the top right corner of the editor. That will publish the new slider to your live store so your visitors can see it in action.